What is going on, fam bam? How are you doing? This is your boy Izzy Lee with Modern Lee Kitchen, giving you guys the keys to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress. Now check this out. When it comes to baking and getting your sweet tooth fetishes on, don't worry, we don't judge here. Also say the troubling part is finding the right mixer that can get the job done and get you on the quickest route to those skillet cookies. Which, shameless plug, you can go ahead and check out our video about how to make just that right here, but I digress. Whether it's cake, pies, or cornbread, because you know we're from the South, cornbread got to be popping. Having the perfect hand mixer is key to get the job done properly and efficiently. So you want to spend hours trying to have a wrestling match with a mixing bowl. We here at Modern Lee Kitchen decided to go ahead and seek out a couple of different options, which led us to eventually what we're going to talk about today with the rival hand mixer. But before we get there, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all of our content coming out, as well as follow us on Instagram at Kirsty Brooks and Izzy Lee Media. See more of what Modern Lee Kitchen does outside the kitchen. But with all that said, let's get to it. The rival hand mixer comes with 5 speeds ranging from high to low, so getting the job done well enough to get you the right speed and what you'll be working with. Comes with chrome-plated beaters, a beater ejection function for easy removal and cleaning at the top, no rest and bowl support towards the back, which is a big deal to keep everything easy and together. It also runs off of 150 watts power. So far we saw that it only came in white, so the color and aesthetic is a little bit limited, and you know how we are here at Modern Lee Kitchen, we all about that aesthetic. So unfortunately that means a little bit less of a fashionable outlook if you're trying to have something more sleek. Also, it was mentioned before we bought it that it came with cord storage. I'm not sure if I'm just lost here, but we haven't been unable to locate exactly how the cord storage operates properly. Now there does seem to be a compartment in the back to where you can see how that may be possible, but from our perspective, getting to that looks like it's more trouble than it's worth. That about wraps it up for the specifics about the device. Now we'll go into the uses. As I mentioned earlier, the rival hand mixer does come with 5 speeds. However, from our perspective, that may not be exactly true, as from all accounts from what we've seen, it goes from fast to faster. Meaning that most likely if you're expecting a slow, nice, melodic churn, instead you'll get a cyclone hurricane inside your cake batter. It's important to note to use your mixer properly. Also, something else we noticed is that the beaters do have a bit of a locking issue. Now they'll stay in place, don't get me wrong, and luckily we never came into any issues, but I feel like it's important to know that there is a looseness to them that may or may not worry some. And as far as using this bad boy, prepare to have some headphones, because this boy gets loud. However, there have been accounts that the loud noise coming from the mixer has been an early indicator of it being ready to burn out. So then it does put into question if the device does have that ability of longevity. One great thing to note about the mixer is the size. Luckily, it's small and compact enough to where you can take it to grandma's house and back, or any place where you foresee yourself whipping it up in the kitchen. Also, its ability to manage any heavier items may be an issue. So mixtures that are dense might take a little bit more time and effort for you to blend properly. Overall, use of the rival hand mixer hasn't been that bad. We've gotten it just about exactly what we expected out of it for the price. And speaking of the price, currently the rival hand mixer sits at most retailers for about $6, which honestly I'd say is about appropriate for what you're getting out. It's no secret. It's not fancy. It's not the top of the line hand mixer that you'll be finding on the shelf. However, the question would then have to arise, did I get my money's worth from this product? Review. On the positive end, the rival hand mixer is small and portable. It's easy to clean, priced at one of the lowest hand mixers on the market, and honestly it's functional and does exactly what it's meant to do. On the negative end, it can burn out quickly. The 5 speeds are more like fast and faster. It can get loud, has limited color options, and has some trouble with denser mixtures. Overall, as I said before, the rival hand mixer isn't top of the line, but it does the job that it's meant to do for the price that it's set at, which saves you loads of time on whiskey. So overall, if you're just looking for a mixer that can finally mix up that cake mix that's been sitting in your pantry for over 3 months, Modern Lee Kitchen gives it our fist of approval for just that. For doing the exact thing that it's supposed to do, and for the price that you're getting at, you're not really missing out on value. However, if you're more of a kitchen tech enthusiast like we are, honestly our advice there is to probably shell out a couple extra dollars to find something that's a little bit more sturdy and a little bit more value, and will serve you better in the long run with a nice quality product. But what do you guys think? Please comment down below your opinions over the rival hand mixer, as well as let us know what you got working in your kitchen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video if you enjoyed this review. But this has been your boy Izzy Lee with Modern Lee Kitchen, and as always, stay blessed